Before I start, I would like to thank Team Persona to build my confidence and to support me. A very warm and pleasant good evening to respected judges, teachers, and my lovely audience. This is Ojasvi standing before you, and I am very grateful to speak on the topic that will be given by the judges.
Ojasvi,
Yes, sir.
the topic that I have decided for you is Youth of India.
Youth of India.
Youth of India,
Okay,
yes.
sir. Hello everyone, this is Ojasvi Agrawal once again standing before you to speak on my topic, that is Youth of India. India is the most populous country all over the world. And the youth of India is energetic, fabulous and very excited to do the work. When we talk about youth of India, when we talk about Indian population, so India has a large population of its youth. The youngest people are more in India. So they are in every field. We can see that in every field we have different people from youth, they are young. Like when we talk about Virat Kohli and these kinds of people from sports, they are also part of youth of India. Youth of India is excited and they are educated. They can do every work because they have that strength to do the work. And apart from that, youth of India, like it is so excited to do the work, and it is in every field because youth is the age where everything can be done by you. But when you are old, you cannot do, like you are not physically that much strong to do the work. And when you are not that much young, then also at that time also you are not that much strong to do the work. But at the age of youth, when it is about youth of India, you are excited to speak, you are excited and you are able to do everything. You are strong enough to do everything. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, any question?
Okay. Ojasvi, you said about the age. So please clear us. Does youth means it's according to the ages?
Young by minds, ma'am, because when you are able to think broad, you can explain everyone better. So young, it depends. Like when we talk about youth of India, it is both young in mind and young in age also. Because when you are too small, you cannot do anything. Like you cannot talk with anyone. Or when you are in youth of India, so youth of India can work they are having the workplaces. They have the workforce to do the work. So it depends on the age also and the mind that you have. Because many of them are very young, but they cannot do anything. They are so lazy. So it depends on the mind and depend on the age also, because age is a very big, important factor when we talk about youth of India.
Okay.
Okay, yes. Any other?
Yeah, one more question.
Yes,
Like the topic is Youth of India. We are talking particularly about our country. So as an Indian and being a youth, what do you feel? How can you contribute to the development of India?
Sir, what I believe, like contributing, I can promote everyone to clean India, because when we talk about pollution, so we can see that India is nowadays it is too polluted. So I can by cleaning India, by advising everyone to clean India, this kind of help I can do. I can contribute like this to India as a youth.
Okay, you talked about cleanliness. That's
Yes,
very
sir.
important. But apart from cleanliness, I mean that's just one of the aspects. So is there anything else that needs to be done?
E-vehicles, we can use them because they also reduce pollution. So according to my age, because I'm so young, like I'm in 9th class only, so I don't believe that I could be like in any job. So to contribute India, I would just aware everyone to clean India. I would advise everyone to use e-vehicles to reduce pollution and to clean their nearby areas, not to throw garbages in the drains or something like that.
Actually, my question meant, is there anything else that needs to be done apart from maintaining cleanliness?
Yes, so there are many things, like in education also. Indian education needs to be improved. Like there are many drawbacks from India in education. In education, when we talk, some schools, the teachers are not good. The teachers are lazy to teach. They are not regular. So these kinds of things are there for education when I talk about in improvement to contribute.
Okay, thank you. Fine.
Thank you,
fine.
sir.
That's
Chaliye,
fine.
thank you so much, Ojasvi. Clapping for her, everyone.
Just